What's going on, people? So today I'm gonna be showing how I have my camera set up on my helmet. This is the helmet, AGV K1 high vis black. When I bought this helmet, the pictures show yellow, but as you can see, it's actually the high vis, but it still look good, you know. Honestly, I always got to throw the 46 on this helmet. It's only right. But all right. So this is where I have my camera mounted. It looks like it's the center mount on the videos, but it's not. But it's not too far from the center. So I usually have the camera. This is the old case. I actually got a new case now. But I usually have the camera like this, upside down, so I can get full view like that. If you put it up, it's in the way of the visor. You can't get the angle right. So you can just put it upside down. Y'all may have seen some people do that before. But you put it upside down and you just adjust it. And you gotta remember to adjust it on when you're tucked. Because if you have it like this and it's picking up everything and then you tuck, you're gonna be looking at the ground. You're gonna lose a lot of footage. Trust me, I know. A lot of y'all seen my videos and they were basically we on the highway. You know what I'm saying? You might hear something, but hear some talking, but it's mostly just whatever the camera is picking up, because I didn't have a mic. And so I got the mic and then I got that GoPro adapter. I didn't know where to put the adapter at. So I started looking around for videos and everybody just had some kind of crazy setup where they got it. It looked bad. And I had it up on mine and it looked so bad I took it off. It actually wouldn't even stay. I had it taped. It was ridiculous. And this is the case I have for the camera. I got the 6. But this is standard case. You know, you take the side piece out, and you put your mic in there. But I got this. Boom. Artman V2 vlogging gear. I also got the Artman GoPro chargers. Their batteries don't last. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, this is supposed to be all black, and it only holds like 40% of a battery now, so I don't even use it anymore. I just use the GoPro batteries, but the charger still works, and you can charge 3 different batteries, and this display screen lets you see how much charge is on the batteries. So this is pretty dope. Artman, they're of course not GoPro stuff, but they make good stuff. Not the batteries, but they make good accessories besides batteries, from what I know. The Artman case has a slot for, oh yeah, for y'all can't even talk. For those of y'all that don't know, this is the GoPro adapter. As you can see, I still got residue from when I tried to tape it. Dumb, trust me. Actually flew off while I was riding. Luckily it was still connected to everything, so it was just hanging there smacking my helmet. Also, if you are using the mics, make sure you have this piece. Most mics come with it. You might think you don't need it, but you do. The GoPro is not working. Well, as far as the 6, I don't know about the other ones, but the GoPro is not picking up audio without this piece. And I just got the little standard $15 mic from Amazon. Wasn't that special? So, and that goes, of course, in there. But that's the adapter. This case has a back that comes off somehow. Clearly, I haven't used it yet. Yeah. Whatever. All right. Oh, so it's a little clip right here. You just push that down, and the back, boom, slides off, and you put your camera in there. Boom, perfect fit. 46. I don't know about the other ones. You slide your back on. Boom, gotta lock in. no movement. It's good. Now, the camera ports are on the left side. So when you put it in, this goes into the camera. Make sure that's going out where the ports are, of course. Once it's in there, it's in there. It ain't moving either. Boom. Twist that around into the camera. Easy. This is the only case I've seen where having a mic adapter does not look dumb. And this case was $15. That's nothing about Artman, they cheap. You know what I'm saying? That's why I guess some of the stuff not the best quality, but this is. Let's see. Okay. This is my mic. It's got a lot of extra wire. I'm about to actually play with that and see how I'm gonna get it set up in the helmet. Because when I first did it, I just threw it in there behind the pad, and of course it was too thick, this bundle. But Artman is the way to go on the camera setup with the mic adapter. I mean, you can use other ones, but the fitment, and I already know about some of Artman's products, so it was a no-brainer for me. It's 15 bucks. You know what I'm saying? And the biggest thing was that mic adapter, because without a case with the mic adapter slot on it, you gotta find somewhere on your helmet to put this whole mic adapter, and it looks like trash. If you got a nice helmet, which I feel like my helmet is nice, now I got stuff I done tried to rig it up, and like it just, I gotta get that off without scratching my helmet. You know what I'm saying? This is a fairly new helmet too, and I like it, so I ain't what to have. And then I already got the Bluetooth, then the camera, then I would have had a mic adapter over here, and I actually got that idea from somebody. I ain't just think of it. And after one ride, then it fell off. I was just like, yeah, that ain't it. But now I gotta clean that off. So yeah, Artman, I'm rocking with them. Of course, this is not waterproof. I don't know if cameras are waterproof, but it's not a waterproof case. So if you're riding, and you got this case in the rain, your camera not waterproof itself, you better pull over. So I heard that this was better as far as wind buffeting, to hide all that wind noise, than this little thing. So I guess what I'm gonna have to do is try them both, because my helmet fits how it should. So there's not a lot of extra room in there. This is aggravating. I haven't even used the small one yet, but I feel like, of course, it's gonna be a lot better. But for sound purposes, I'm gonna have to do a riding test with both of them just to see, because I would rather not use this. Everybody I know uses these, but you know what I'm saying? Like the way my face shape and my helmet is, it's in the way. Like I feel it constantly. It's aggravating. I don't like it. But yeah, this is that case. I'm gonna make another video after I got it hooked up and everything. Artman V2 vlogging gear. Blue and white, you can't miss it. This is what it looks like. Vlogging case for GoPro. 15 bucks. Get it. This is the finished product. Got my camera upside down. Like I said, of course, the video is gonna show upside down, but when you're doing your editing, you just hit the flip button. But this is the mic. It's a little, comes out a little bit, but not too much. Wind won't, I mean, that little bit ain't gonna do nothing. You can pull it tighter if you want to. But that's it. I got my mic tucked right here. I'm gonna have to adjust it, I'm sure, when I go out and ride. But as far as the setup, I mean, that's it. Artman case, mic adapter, mic, and your mount. And a lot of places sell the front mounts, but I just used what it came with and stuck it to the side. It still get good first person view. And then if you have to use your camera, if you use your camera upside down, use your phone's app to make sure you're getting the right angle, because it's been a lot of times where I had the camera pointed too high and I missed half my ride. So that was a waste. But yeah, that's it. That's the setup, the Artman setup.